Go live now to Local 15's Andrea Ramey. Andrea, what triggered this response?
Well, Kim, it's not that this patient was terribly sick, but there were some big questions about international travel and exposure possibly to Ebola, and all of this uncertainty eventually led to hazmat crews responding to the health department last night. The scene was surreal. First responders in hazmat suits walking around USA Medical Center and sealing an ambulance with tape after transporting a female patient feared to have Ebola.
There were just pieces of the puzzle that didn't fit together, that everybody wanted to err on being cautious.
Mobile County Health Officer Dr. Bert Eichold says the woman showed up to the health department with GI issues at 2 o'clock yesterday. Eichold said the African foreign national had difficulty communicating because she primarily spoke Swahili, which prompted questions about international travel to areas where Ebola is prevalent.
There were some questions in our story that kind of changed over time about family members in the Congo, which does have cases of Ebola.
Later, health officials confirmed she had not traveled to any high-risk areas and had not been exposed to family members who had either recently. By 9 o'clock last night, the specialist who evaluated the patient determined she did not meet CDC requirements for Ebola testing and was at no risk of having the deadly disease.
I think got a little more exciting from a community standpoint than it was from a medical standpoint.
And here's the timeline of events from last night. At 2 o'clock, that patient arrived at the Mobile County Health Department. By 4:30, the decision was made for her to be evaluated by a specialist here at USA Medical Center. After 6 o'clock, Mobile Fire Rescue actually transported her after taking very methodical steps to ensure that responders were protected just in case. Eichold said there was no rush in getting her to the hospital because she was not having a medical emergency. And at 9 o'clock last night, the hospital confirmed that she did not have Ebola. Overall, health officials say that this turned out to be a pretty good drill, and they were pleased with the response. Reporting live in Mobile tonight, Andrea Ramey, Local 15 News.